Hi guys! It's Pinay Eats here. Grabe, na-miss ko kayong lahat. Na-miss nyo ba ako? Nag-tea na ba lahat? Ayan guys. So yes, buhay pa ako guys. Yes. At yan, ibang energy ko ngayon. Go, go, go! Iba't ibang level talaga to. Yung aking self-confidence. Guys, naka-dress ako ngayon. O diba? Yan. So, real talk tayo guys. At sasabihin ko sa inyo yung aking product review for 1 month. So I've been using this product, itong specialty and fiber, for a month now. I started April 17 and then ngayon, so it's May 14. So just a few more days, 1 month na yun guys. So buti na lang, marunong ako magbilang. Anyway, so naisip ko, oh my gosh, tumatanda na ako. I need to make a change kasi overweight ako guys. Alam nyo ng lahat yon na overweight ako. Kaya sinimulan ko tong gamitin tong product na to. Itong specialty na to. And masasabi ko lang, it really helped me on this weight loss journey. It's only been a month but I saw some results. Nag-lose ako ng 9 pounds. Yon. So I lose 9 pounds. Pero yun nga guys, dahil committed ako guys na sa fasting, yan, consistent ako sa fasting, at least mga 12 to 18 hours of fasting, and then yung pagkain ko hindi na katulad noon, so I eat less, and then at the same time yung mga cravings ko, nako, wala na yun guys. Yung mga fast food, dinadaan-daanan ko na lang yon. At yung mga cravings sa gabi, na yung mga midnight snack, wala na midnight snack. So, ayun nga. So, natutunan ko guys, at naka-help talaga tong product na to, itong specialty and fiber, para makontrol ko yung urges ko sa cravings ko. But at the same time, also, it gives me energy guys, all throughout the day. And kahit nagpa-fasting ako, iniinom ko lang to specialty. As in talaga, may energy pa ako guys. At hindi ako nagugutom. So, masasabi ko lang, itong sa aking weight loss journey, even though it's been a month, ay meron na siyang results. But guys, the results will be different sa ating lahat. Iba-iba. Depende kasi sa commitment mo, sa pagiging consistent, and at the same time, also, like yung eating habits mo. Okay? So, ayun yun. Pero, para sa akin, nag-work sa akin to guys. And, I will keep using this because health-wise, it really helps me. And, maraming benefits to guys. Hindi lang about losing weight. So, itong product na to, it helps you improve your cholesterol level, yung may mga high cholesterol, high blood pressure, pati yung sinusupport niya yung glucose level mo, which is yung mga may diabetes. So guys, maraming benefits to guys. And para sa akin, I'm so glad na I found this product and I've used it. Kasi guys, tingnan nyo naman ang aking level of confidence. O diba? Naka-dress ako ngayon. Yan. So, guys, masasabi ko lang, if you want, sa mga, alam ko, it's a struggle, yung pagpapapayat. So, if you guys are struggling to lose weight, or kaya naman ay gusto nyong i-improve ang inyong cholesterol level, o kaya naman guys, ayaw nyo nang maging pagod all the time, yan. At gayon din ay ayaw nyo nang mag-crave all the time. So tuturuan ko kayo guys. I will guide you and I will tell you yung benefits ng product na to. So, message me and subscribe to my channel and follow me at Pinay Eats guys. Bye!